If your photos are looking too yellow in Lightroom, don't worry, this is usually a very easy fix. And in this video, I'll show you the fastest way to correct it on Lightroom Desktop. By the end, your image should look more natural, cleaner, and much closer to the true colors you actually captured. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick Lightroom editing tips just like this. Let's start with the main fix, which is white balance. Open your photo in Lightroom Desktop, then go to the Edit panel. This is where most yellow color casts can be corrected. Look for the temp slider first. If the image looks too warm, move temp to the left to make the photo cooler and reduce that yellow or orange tint. Move it slowly because a small adjustment can make a big difference. Next, check the tint slider. If the photo still feels a little off after adjusting temp, move tint slightly toward magenta. This helps balance the color if the image has a yellow-green look, or if skin tones still appear strange. The goal here is not to make the photo look overly blue or pink. You just want to remove the unwanted yellow cast and keep the image natural. If you want a quick starting point, you can also use Auto White Balance. Just click WB and then choose Auto. Lightroom will try to guess the best balance for the image, and in many cases, this gives you a solid base to work from. After that, you can fine-tune temp and tint manually so the photo looks exactly right. Now, let's move to the Color panel and use Mix, also known as HSL. This is especially useful if the yellowness is coming from specific parts of the image, like clothing, walls, lights, or backgrounds. Go to Color, then open Mix. Find the yellow channel and lower yellow saturation. A good range to try is around -20 to -50, depending on how strong the yellow color is. If needed, you can also adjust yellow hue slightly to shift the tone away from that strong yellow look. This step is really helpful because sometimes the photo is not globally too yellow. Instead, only certain colors are too intense. By reducing yellow saturation, you can make the image look much more balanced without changing everything else too much. If your photo is yellow because of bright indoor lights or overexposed warm highlights, then you should also adjust the light section. Lower highlights first, then lower whites if needed. This can help reduce the glowing yellow effect in bright areas and bring back more detail and color accuracy. Again, make small changes and watch the photo as you go. You want a natural result, not a flat or dull image. A good workflow is simple. First, fix white balance, then fine-tune with auto white balance if needed, then clean up the yellow tones and color mix, and finally adjust highlights and whites if the light itself is causing the problem. That combination usually solves most yellow photo issues in Lightroom very quickly. If you want even better results, zoom out and compare your edited photo with the original. Ask yourself whether the skin tones look normal, whether whites look truly white, and whether the image still feels too warm. If it does, go back and make small adjustments rather than one big change. Lightroom editing always works best when you move in tiny steps. And that's it. Now you know how to fix yellow photos in Lightroom Desktop using white balance, auto white balance, color mix, and highlight adjustments. It's a simple workflow, but it makes a huge difference when your photos look too warm or too yellow. If this video helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Lightroom tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.